Jesus!
Oh, crap.
My dearest Martha, it's been 5 minutes since I've last seen you. You're the only thing that's on my mind. You and Mom's sweet, sweet pecan pie. Jessica, you know I'm married, and I have kids, and if she finds out, it's all gonna end. I don't care. I don't care. Rosa, it's not what you think, I swear. Gotta poop? No? Guess the new guy's gonna poop in the packing room. No, I'm not gonna poop in the packing room. It is what it is. I'm not gonna poop in the packing room. What are you doing? Pooping? I'm not gonna poop in the packing room.
Where you been? It's break time.
I've been banging and pushing on this door for the last 10 minutes, man.
Have you tried pulling it? Is that poop?